Hello and welcome to webmastercampus.com. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you how to use Bootstrap cards. Okay, so let's get started. Let's first understand what Bootstrap card is. Okay, a card or Bootstrap card is a flexible and extendable content container. So it's a container that can be flexible or that can be extendable. You can easily modify it, enhance it, expand it, or it will be a responsive flexbox based container. Okay, also it includes options for headers and footers, a wide variety of content, contextual background colors, and powerful display options. So you can, within a card, you can have a header, you can have a footer, a body. They are pre-built classes for links, for title, for text, for subtitle. So you have a complete set of options where you can define a flexible container which can have a complete information. Okay, so let's dive into or check the examples. I'm gonna build a card so you can understand how card works. Okay, let's get started. Okay, here I am in the template section, and in this template you can see we have a just link, a CSS, a Bootstrap link, and basic tag. So I'm going to create a new file which is cards.html. Just going to paste the content, and here we are. Now let's build a basic card and understand and explore it. So let's display.card. Okay, and in this one I am going to have a div and just card dash body. Okay, this is a basic card. We are just trying to display information, something, the text that you can write, and I'm going to just open this with live server. So you can see this is just a basic card that it has just a body information. Okay, and as we learn, we can have a header, footer, but let's first add an image that is going to just before the body. Okay, so I am going to add a image tag. In the image tag, I am going a website that's provide the random images, and I am going to use in the source section is loremflickr.com. You just provide the width and height, and it will give you the image. Okay, and we are going to use the class over here to just give a card img-top. Okay, so this is just going to give a card. Whenever I hit a save button, Control S, it gives me a new random image. So here we go. For now, for the display purposes, I am just going to remove this. Otherwise, we need this Alt and src tag. Alt is necessary. Okay, so you can see we are just having an image, and to see the beauty of the card, let's add a style over here and margin top. I'm just having a 30 pixel. So here you are with a basic card. Okay, so you can see it has some information. Within the body, you can have a title. Okay, so let's add a h3, and within this h3, and I'm going to show this as the card title, maybe upcoming movie or something, and I'm going to give a class which is card-title. So it is just card title over here, and even I can give a subtitle if needed, thriller, movie, and just going to call a subtitle. Okay. So this is a subtitle, but you can give a text muted option, so it will be just a little bit lighter in color. So this is how you can define this one. You can have multiple body inside a class. Okay, inside a card, div dot dash card dash body. You can have like this, and in this you can define some links that you are going to show, like the card links that you can define. I'm going to give a card dash link class over this. Just put a hash symbol, and okay, visit website. Okay, here you are. This is a link, and just going to show that check ranking information. So you can have a card link over here, which with the class card link. Okay, so there you are with the card link, and we define the body. Within the card link, you can, if you want, you can define the listing as well, like UL. That with UL you can define list dash group. Okay, and in this you will have an li, which is something like list dash group dash item. Okay, and I'm going to use 3. So here you are. You can have like this kind of features. Okay, I'm going to give a h5 over here, and the message is features. And within this features, I am going to give some features. Unique story. Okay, so here how you can give a features. If you want to remove the border, so you can list group, and you can use flush over here. So it is just going to remove the borders from this listing. Okay, so here we are. You can also define this card within a grid columns, and to just make it compatible, it's responsive one, so it's easy. You can define card header if you need it. Let's suppose div dot card dash header, so it will contain the card header. Okay, so header information will be here in the header. If you are looking to have a card footer, so you can have this div dot card footer. I'm going to call this card footer just some information, so it will just give a very good edges, and you can define that. If you want to put this inside a column, so you can just put this inside a column. Let's define column 6. Okay, call 6, and let's define call 6 like this. And I'm just going to copy this card and just put inside a column. So this is how it is going to display. If you want to paste this column another like in this one, so the 2 cards are displaying on your screen. If you can further play with this to understand cards. Okay, I hope this is useful and you're gonna apply and enjoy having a card using Bootstrap.